welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. It's that time. And honestly, Boxycharm has been sending my box earlier, so I'm really surprised. It just came in the mail today, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it feels light as hell. Like, it's so light. So this is the first box with the new price. So instead of the $35, which would turn with taxes and stuff, was like $38. Now this is about $45 with taxes for the premium box. And I just feel like if you're gonna up the price, you better up the products or the quality. So I really don't know what to expect here. Hopefully there's still some good stuff, but it's really light. So I don't know. But if you want to see what I got in this November premium box, keep on watching. Alright, let's just do this because, yeah. So, I literally just, like, my mother just said, oh, you have a package. And I'm like, where is it? She's like, your Boxycharm came today. And I was like, that's nuts. I got no tracking, nothing that it was shipped out. So, I don't know. You guys already know Boxycharm mermaid knife. Why is it so... Get it together. Okay. Let's look at this. Yeah, it's... I can already see that there's like... Alright, let's... Whatever. So, invites only. That's the thing. And then it's telling me shop the annual holiday blog sale, 80% off retail. So the free gift value over, whatever. So, I think because next box is the last one for the year, I think I might actually purchase some Boxycharm add-ons just to have a few more things to show you guys and just to see, just because I've never ordered any Boxycharm add-ons, and sometimes I look at the price, I'm like, that's cool, but I feel like I'm paying enough for the premium box that I really don't want to spend any more money with them. Yeah. So, there's that. First up, this is, I don't know. It looks like a serum. I literally just said in a skincare video that you guys will see next week that I need more serums. So, there we go. Ooh, the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff, Anti-Dark Circle Serum, which is cool. So this retails for $38. Yeah, it says wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with the Eye Bright Now serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness. Blah 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 blah. So I don't have any dark circles, but sometimes my eyes are puffy because I don't sleep. So I'm gonna need this, and I like eye serum. This says wake up and I can't open anything, so here we go. It says wake up and whatever, like in the morning. I guess if you get puffies during the day. But I like to use like eye serums at night. So there's that. Bruh, I cannot open this for shit. Ah! I'm like throwing shit on the floor, and I just cleaned up this room. It was a mess. Alright, I got it open. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells something I have already. It's a very faint smell. I'm trying to figure out what the hell that smell is. I don't know. I really don't. But it feels nice. Definitely hydrating. So I like that. Okay, feels pretty good. Hopefully it does some depuffing. Very, very light scent. So that works for me. Next, this is Nude Sticks, Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. So I'm assuming this is a mask. This says lemon, papain, apple, and pomegranate. I don't know what the fuck papain is, but it says 3-in-1 Deep Pore Cleanser and Skin Exfoliant plus Skin Brightening Glow. Listen. Huh? Huh? So this is $34. It says the Lemonade, like Band-Aid, and not like the drink. Sorry. It says detox and glow micro peel is a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that y'all will have to try this in the video. I don't know why. At-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil. Oh, y'all know I'm greasy. Greasy ass bitch over here. Dirt and pollution while visibly rejuvenating skin tone and texture. Whatever. Let's smell it. I'm gonna try it. Oh, one of these caps? That means it's like metal on here, yup. Oh no. Ooh. Ooh, I got lipstick everywhere. Smell it. It doesn't smell like it. Oh! It's like I didn't expect it to look like this. So it's a cleanser or what? I don't know how to use this. We're gonna try it. I wish I had how to apply. Apply as a mask all over face. Finger massage as a mask all over face. Finger massage to peel for 2 minutes and rinse off with water only. Use 3 to 4 times a week. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use this and then do a review or something. 3 to 4 times a week? Oh my God, I don't know. The directions are kind of weird. It says apply as a mask all over face. Finger massage to peel for 2 minutes. So do I apply all over my face and then massage it in and then leave it? I don't know. But I'm gonna try this. We'll see if it really brightens up the skin because I need that. It's so weird. I don't know. All right, so here's this. Not upset. Oh. So far I'll give him this. These 2 products are expensive. So the brightening face mask is $34. The eye serum is $38. So good value. It's just this. Moving on. Okay, next this is a Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Okay, I already have gloss on my mouth, but let's get into it. The only reason I'm not mad at Boxycharm right now, because there's no make, so there's not gonna be makeup look. I can see that from here, but like y'all, I've been so tired. Oh, this is pretty. I feel like it's extremely expensive. So here's what it looks like. Already my first impression is that not very much gloss in here. It's just not. Okay, so what is going on here? Okay, Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. It's $20. It says with this long wearing lip gloss that's infused with natural dried rose petals. What the is a long wearing lip gloss? I can literally I can eat anything right now. My lip gloss is coming off, so I don't know what's your problem. It smells like rose oil. It smells pretty good. Let's get a little pretty sticky, nice little gloss. Okay, I don't know what the hell is a long lasting gloss, but cool. And it's like such little product. But I mean, I guess it's cool. How much is this? Did I say? For $20? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'd rather get a roll-on old school lip gloss from like the 99-cent store or the beauty supply store. I would not. But I guess they want to do something cute. Man, I don't know. I'm literally just like rolling through these things. What is this? This feels a little heavy. What is this? It just says Riddle. A roll-on fragrance oil. Boxycharm, I don't want no damn fragrances. I don't. For $50. Okay. It says made with simple ingredients of amber, and musk. I don't like musky perfumes and smell. It says it smells clean and subtle. It better, because I will pass out and throw up and I will just be sick. Oh, okay, hold on. It says the original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. All right, listen, that's me. What's going on? Let's try it. That made me a little happy. I have my own fragrance, by the way. So, link will be in the description box below. And there's a sale coming up for this holiday, so definitely keep a lookout on my videos and my Instagram. And I think I might do a giveaway for like a gift card, so you can get your own fragrance because it's a little expensive. It's a perfume, so there's that. Shameless plug. But I'm excited. Okay, so right on the hand again. Okay, it takes a little time. I'm really just hurting myself with this heavy ass ball. All right, so. All right. Oh, okay, so it is light. It's very, very light. Does it exist? my God. Okay, so this roll-on ball is like not doing it. Okay, it's extremely faint. The ball is not rolling like enough product. So I don't know. But I like that they did consider like people with fragrance-related headaches. That's really good. Like, it's a fresh smell. It's a great scent. I actually like this. I just wish the roll-on ball would roll, because it's not doing that. I probably have to pop it out and pop it back in or something like that. But this is cool. Not $50 cool, but I really do like that. I wish a lot of companies and fragrances, wish a lot of fragrance companies did take people with scent-related headaches into consideration. And like, look, here's our line targeted specifically for you. That's why for my fragrance, it's very light, it's very fresh, because I just cannot. Do you guys remember that Boxycharm where I had that lip gloss that I put it on and I was physically ill the rest of that video, the rest of that night? It was horrible. My head was killing me. I felt so nauseous. So this, honestly, I don't really care for it too much, but I really, really do love that they take headaches into consideration, because that is something that is not done, and it really sucks. It's terrible. So that did make me happy, and I do like that. There's only two. There's really only 2 products left, y'all. Is it? It's not worth my money. It's not. It's fucking not. So how you guys' day going? It's good? That's nice. Sorry. Okay, so next we have Rodial blush drops, liquid blush. But the color looks like a highlighter, so I don't know. Okay, so this is also $50. I don't know. They do that. They throw in expensive items that I don't really care for. I guess to try to make up for a shitty box, but I don't know. Let's look at these blush drops. So I like the packaging. It is a frosted bottle. It's like a highlight. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So, I don't know. So here it is. This, I definitely would recommend doing your contour and your blush prior to applying your foundation, just so it'll look a little bit more subtle and not as like wow, because then you kind of look stupid, especially if you have oily skin and using a matte foundation. You don't want just a shiny blush. I just hate blushes with shimmers on it. Right on top of your makeup, it'll just kind of, for me, it's a no. So this is okay. Am I really gonna use this? Probably not. But I'll try it out. I don't know why it's so expensive, but it is what it is. And y'all, I have 1 product left. So let's just do this real quick. I don't think I really need to tell you how I feel about this box, because it is what it is. And here it is. This is a KVD Beauty Locket. I guess this is the foundation powder, and this is in Tan 170. So my first like high-end foundation was the KVD Beauty one, the Locket foundation. I actually really like it. It is super matte, so fucking matte, and it is transfer proof. It's really good. Like I would purchase it again. I really, really like it. I don't remember what color I was in that, but I always need a good foundation powder, so can't go wrong with it. Ooh, I never had one. So here's the packaging. Really, really beautiful. It has this stupid sponge thing that I'm never gonna use. I use a brush, and has a nice little mirror. It's just really, really nice. This tan looks a little light, just a little, but I don't think it will be I don't think it's an issue for me to set my foundation with, because I do bronze so heavily. You guys don't even know for real. It looks way different on camera. But yeah, so this is good. I could always use it. I wish inside there was like a little separate compartment to put this little sponge just for storage, like the Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder has a little compartment for like a little powder puff. I prefer a powder puff to this sponge, but it is what it is. This is good. I really like it. I'm always down for foundation powder, but that's it. That's really it. This is 37 door hairs. So everything in this box, The least expensive thing was the $20 lip gloss that kissed my ass ever in my life. But everything else was pretty expensive. That doesn't mean that it's all good. That doesn't mean that the quality is there. But that's it. I don't know what to tell y'all. I'm actually tired of this relationship that I have with Boxycharm. Extremely toxic. And honestly, for real this time, I think after December, I'm going to cancel my subscription. It's just not been working out for me. It does give me a lot of great products to try, I'm not gonna lie. But for the most part, they have me looking stupid on here. Stupid. Always have me looking stupid, and I don't know if I want to do this anymore. Especially now that it's more expensive. Like, it's pushing $50 a month. That's a phone bill. That's expensive. So, I don't know. Hopefully for December, I don't know. But that's it, guys. Look at this box. Mid as fuck, as Justin Black I would say. So, it is what it is. So my shoot's coming up, and it's definitely gonna be in my stories. There's gonna be some behind the scenes, and I might go live. So just make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out for that. But if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I don't know why I did that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.